Often data changes, and particularly people may change their last name, or companies may decide to change their names. And rather than manually find every supplier, for example, and update their name manually, I'll use the find and replace. I may want to, for example, find every instance of foodstuffs and update it to their new company name, which is Food Distributors. On your ribbon to the far right, you've got the Find and Select button, and if you click this button, you have the option to choose Replace. And notice the shortcut key is Control H. If I click Replace, I can now say Find Foodstuffs and replace it with Food Distributors, New Zealand Limited. Now, if I'm a little unsure that I just want to go ahead and completely replace the data, I'll choose the Find All first. When I click the Find All, it tells me there are 12 cells that contain the value foodstuffs. And I may wish to then go ahead and replace all the 12 instances of foodstuffs with Food Distributors New Zealand Limited. So I'll hit the Replace All button. There are 12 replacements made, which is correct. And when I quickly look over here in my spreadsheet, I can see Food Distributors New Zealand Limited has replaced foodstuffs. So I'll go OK. And if I just stretch this little column here, I can see that those cells now contain the value Food Distributors New Zealand Limited. If I then close this window and I want to see those names clearly in column B, I'll place my mouse between the column letters B and C till I get this mouse pointer, and I'll double click. And now I can see all instances of foodstuffs has been replaced with Food Distributors New Zealand Limited.